Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is BoxyCharm box time, you guys, and I am in receipt of my June premium box. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing and demo. So the theme for this month's BoxyCharm premium box is Dare to Dazzle. And this is another cute theme from BoxyCharm. They come up with the cutest themes. So yeah, very nice. Dare to Dazzle. And the first item that we're going to talk about in this box is from Dominique Cosmetics. And it is the Transition palette. And this is what this palette looks like. And these are the actual shades. So this is an all matte palette, and the info card states, life is complicated. Makeup shouldn't be. Here's your new everyday go-to. A versatile multi-use palette with a range of warm to neutral matte shades. Choose daytime, no makeup looks, or go full on sultry, smoky glam. This is a really nice palette to have. This is an all matte palette, so this would make a really good companion palette. Sometimes we have palettes where they only give us shimmer shades. And for me, I like to have a nice matte shade that I can use as a transition shade. So this palette is going to make a really nice companion palette, and I can see why they call it the Transition palette. And the retail cost for the Dominique Cosmetics Transition palette is $48. This next item is from Natasha Denona, and this is the Natasha Denona Transformat Foundation. I am so disappointed about this particular item in my premium BoxyCharm box, and the only reason why I'm disappointed is because of the shade. This shade is entirely too dark for me. This shade is in 92W Deep Warm. I need to go into my BoxyCharm account settings and do some rearranging because something's not quite right. This is the second time that I've gotten a complexion product that's just entirely too dark for me. But this is what this foundation looks like. I really wish I had the right shade in this because I would really love to try one of Natasha Denona's foundations. But the info card states that this is a medium to full coverage modern matte liquid luxe foundation that blurs pores, smooths uneven texture, and protects your skin from environmental damage. So I'm super disappointed. I tell you what, if one of you guys have gotten this Natasha Denona Transformat foundation in a lighter shade and it might be a little bit closer to my skin tone and you really needed something that's a little bit deeper, you know what? Let me know in the comments. Maybe we can swap out. And the retail cost for the Natasha Denona Transformat foundation is $45. And this next item is from Murad, and this is the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. So this is what the actual product package looks like, and the info card states, the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer, detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep. So you guys have heard me say this before. I'm a big fan of something that works overnight for some reason. It just makes me feel more comfortable in using it. It gives me the confidence that it's not stripping my skin or doing too much at one time. But yeah, so this is really interesting. I am glad to have this and will definitely use this. And this is the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer, and the suggested retail cost is $74. This next item is the Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense, and the info card states, Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense is a weightless, dry aerosol heat protectant spray. This nourishing argan oil and vitamin-fueled formula rehydrates the hair while protecting against damaging effects of heat styling up to 450 degrees. I'm super excited to have this. In my last box, I got another heat protectant type of hair product, and one of you guys left a comment and mentioned that you not only use it when you're using heat styling tools, but you also use it when you know that you're going to be outside in the heat. You actually spray it in your hair to help to protect against the natural sunlight. And I think that's a really good idea. So I am definitely glad to have this. I'm going to be going on vacation soon, and I am definitely going to use this. And the retail cost for the Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense is $28. This next item is from Lashaholic, and it is the luxury lashes. They're in the style Kiss Me, it looks like. Is that right? Yes, these are in the style Kiss Me, and the info card states super lightweight and ultra fluffy fibers on a soft cotton band allows for style to meet comfort. Made with a layered light crisscross pattern and tapered ends, leaving you with the ultimate natural glam look. You guys know I love lashes. I wear lashes with every single look. It doesn't matter if it's a natural look, no makeup look, whatever the case may be. I think lashes is definitely necessary. I think lashes is also one of those things that you never have enough of. And the retail cost for the Lashaholic luxury lashes in the style Kiss Me is $15.99. And this is the last item that came in my BoxyCharm premium box for the month of June. And this is from Earth Harbor Naturals, and it's the Laguna Replenishing Body Serum. This is what the actual product looks like. And the info card states, a tantalizing blend of pure botanical oils including blue yarrow, marine algae, coconut, rosehip, and geranium blossoms. The synergistic island blend promotes feelings of the skin, respiration, and intercellular energy, while delivering deep nourishment, hydration, and a gorgeous luster to the skin. Enjoy an aroma reminiscent of a fresh floral breeze as your skin absorbs a non-greasy, nutrient-dense serum. That sounds really, really nice. Let me see what this smells like. I smell absolutely nothing. Don't know why that is. Didn't this say that this has some type of fragrance, or am I just misreading that? Yeah, it says to enjoy an aroma reminiscent of a fresh floral breeze as your skin absorbs a non-greasy, nutrient-dense serum. Okay, well, I want that aroma that's reminiscent of a fresh floral breeze. Well, it's reminiscent, very lightly reminiscent. This is from Earth Harbor Naturals. This is the Laguna Replenishing Body Serum, and the suggested retail cost is $26. So as usual, I've added up all the costs that came in this month's premium BoxyCharm box, and the total cost of all the items is $236.99. You guys know that I pay substantially less than $236.99 for my monthly subscription. As a matter of fact, for my monthly premium BoxyCharm box subscription, I'm paying $35.99. So it is definitely a good deal. I'm going to leave a referral link in the description box below. If you're interested in signing up for BoxyCharm, feel free to use that referral link, or you can go directly to the BoxyCharm website. That's www.boxycharm.com. You can sign up there and you can start receiving your own box. So without further ado, let's get into the demo portion of this video. Eyes are prepped and ready to go. I am going to use this product from MAC. This is in the shade Beaming. This product is marketed, or it was marketed as a blush, but it has a lot of highlighting type of properties, so I'm going to use this as my brow bone highlight for this look. I'm using the transition palette from Dominique Cosmetics for this eye look, and I am going to use this shade right here. This shade is called Ash, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. I'm building this up to my desired level of intensity. I am now going to use a combination of these two shades. This shade is called Chai, and this shade is called Cinnamon. So I want to use something that's a little bit of a combination of both of these shades, and I'm going to use this on my outer V, and I am going to sweep this into my crease area. Go back in and blend out the top part of this so it's not quite so harsh. I want everything to melt together. I'm using my P. Louise eyeshadow base to carve out this portion of the lid. I'm going to go back into the transition palette again, and I am going to use this shade. This shade is Chai, and I'm going to use this just to soften up the edges of where I have carved out my lid. I'm now going to use this shade right here. This shade is called Honey, and I am going to apply this to my lid. And I'm going to start with the inner corner of my eyelid and work my way out. I'm going back into the transition palette again. I'm going to go back to the shade Chai once again, and I'm going to use my MAC 242, and I'm going to do a little bit more horizontal blending, just a little bit, just to marry these shades together a little bit more, just a little bit. Not too bad. So I think I'm done with the eye look as far as the eyeshadows go. So I'm going to add my liner, my lashes. I'm also going to finish off my complexion, and I'll be right back. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.